Nakuha na sa video eh.
Ayusin mo muna.
Doon anak, meron dito. Doon, sa ano. Doon. Sit down dito, I will fix it. I'll fix it. Renovate nila, Mi.
Did you remember that there's flowers here? There's a robot.
Nirenovate nila. Oh.
There's grass,
Tayo,
diba?
para may hot.
Ayan, para mainit dito.
There's diba madaming grass dito? Tapos
Yes,
may
anak.
robot.
Oo. Minodernize nila, mas maganda ngayon, no? Nami, hindi na natin nasintas yung ano niya. Hindi na natin nasintas. Ako na. Minami.
Ano yung video? Ano yung video yun?
Ay, nahubo. Bakit nahubo? Bakit sabi ko bakit nahubo? Sabi niyo which one?
Walk na kayo, I will video you.
Ako na.
Ako na, kayo naman. Dali na. Go. Lead the way, Daddy.
Where?
Diretso lang.
Come on. Ay, masarap yung mainit.
Yeah.
Ano, masarap mainit.
It's ano pala, it's not negative. It's 7 degrees Celsius today. And it's cold. We have 3 layers of clothes eh.
Where? There?
That's where we usually eat when we're here in Hibiya.
Dito tayo kumakain, di ba?
Yeah. And then this is where
Bagong-bago na nga.
the park. They renovated it. They,
Ganda. Mas maganda.
yeah. This park is inside the city center. Daddy, walang mga dahon.
Wala daw. Lusaw na.
Lusaw. This is the kids' favorite spot. Hibiya Park. Hibiya Park.
here, mami na.
Yeah.
Sa-
And it's so clean. Yun na, excited na mag-zipline ng mga batuta.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yun na sila.
No!
Let's go there.
Kasi cold na.
Come on, let's go.
Nakamanhid na yung kamay ko.
Okay, come on.
Oh.
Go. Paborito ni Sophie.
Ha? Si ate muna, si ate. Si ate, oh, yay! Hahawakin mo na. Ano yung kasi? Baka dito, pwede.
Ha?
Ah, you go to swing. Okay, sige. Go na.
Why?
Mamaya na yung swing. Dito muna. Tapos.
Daddy will help daw, Stella.
Ha?
Help mo na si Stella.
My hands are so numb.
Why? This is very cold.
May bago na po, mami. May bago na po.
Yeah. That's new.
Mga toddlers. Oh, what's that for, nak?
Swing na lang kami. There's something.
Ha? Okay, go.
Let's do it.
Ha? Ayan o, pwede tayong lumaan dyan pag ganun. Oh, go.
Balik kay mami, dito na lang tayo.
Okay lang yan.
Hindi si mami, masasayang siya.
Wee! 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 Hold tight, ha? Sophie, wag mag-ganyan. Baka matumba ka niyan.
Daddy, before, because I'm going up like that. Because before it's more fun.
Aha.
Ate, di ba dati nagka-drawing tayo na I want it that way. Dada,
Yep.
can we survive together here?
Aha.
Wait, ate, go that way, I go this way.
Oh, you face here. And the other way.
No, ate, daddy. Go to his side, let's say, I will do this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Daddy, for lunch, can we eat there?
Aha.
Daddy. Daddy,
Aha.
can we eat there for lunch? It's down. Bro. It's dangerous, Daddy.
For the 5th time. This is the 5th time that we've been here.
Ate, wait. Ate, wait. Stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ate. Who's that? Ate, sabi daw.
Hindi ko alam, nak, eh.
Squirrel.
Maybe.
Ate, sabi daw. Adoption center.
Maybe.